Hi guys! Okay, all that you need is some liquid eyeliner. And let's begin! Now I am here very close, so I hope I don't scare you. And now as you can see, I'm not wearing any mascara just because this helps me apply the eyeliner better. Now what you will want to do is imagine a line that connects between the bottom of your lash line and then the end of your eyebrow. And then about, in the middle of that is where you will want to apply the wing of the eyeliner. And I will start doing so, and as you can see, I already got some of my lashes with some eyeliner, so make sure you clean that up. Now I will do exactly the same for my other eye. I just like to do this first for both eyes because I feel I can get both wings better, like they match better. Now I will go back to my right eye and I will start applying some eyeliner from the middle of my lash line and then make that connect the other line I had already made. And so make sure this is really close to your lash line. After that, connect that line to what will be the tip of your winged eyeliner. So just make a line connecting those two and just fill everything else in. And now the key for making this look very polished is to use less of the eyeliner whenever you're wanting to polish the edges. So in here, really all I'm using is what was left in the eyeliner. I didn't go back and grab some more because then it can get really messy or your lines can get really thick and you don't really want that. And then to make the tip of the wing, use the less eyeliner that you can so that it's really smooth and really thin. After that, start lining from the inner part of your lash line, and as I said, as close as you can to it, and then just go back and fill in near your tear duct and just try to make a straight line. And now try to connect what you're doing right now with what you just did so that it's all in a straight line and that it looks all very connected and very neat. And guys, I know that in this video it might look like it's so simple, but really when you go back and you do it, it might be a little bit harder, especially if this is the first time you're doing it. But don't give up, just keep on trying, and believe me, it took me some time to go ahead and get the results that I am teaching you right now. And so really don't give up. Okay, and I am done with this eye. I will do exactly the same for the other eye. Now, as you can see, when I was doing the other eye, I messed up a little bit. So what you can do to fix it is just use some concealer, and with a synthetic brush, just apply some of that, creating the perfect line that you need. And then just very gently and very carefully blend that out. I blended it more than I should have, so I'm just making that line with the eyeliner once more because I kind of erased it. And this is the final result. Guys, if you have been watching my past videos, you know that I recently moved out of Mexico. So I'm really excited to share with you that we finally have an apartment, and let me give you a tour. So this is a townhouse and these are the stairs. This is the living room. We have Harry Potter's bedroom here. And then this is the kitchen. We have a bathroom downstairs. That is me. Hello, guys. And next to the kitchen, we have the laundry room. And in this room is where my tiny Buttercup, which is my doggy, will be sleeping. And this is what outside looks like right now. It's beautiful. This is my amazing husband. Now let's go upstairs, and as you go up the stairs you can see this little room. I guess it's for towels and whatever our heart desires to put in there. And then this is this townhouse has 2 bedrooms, so this is one of the bedrooms, and it has a connecting bathroom, so that's pretty cool. I might be recording a lot of videos here, I mean not in the toilet, but right here. This is what I meant. And then this is the other bedroom, and that's it. Click on the right to watch another one of my videos, or click on the CF logo to subscribe. Thank you for getting back to classy with me. Bye!